Alright guys, so today when I do a full unbox review and set up on my new garage shelving, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so putting the shelf together is pretty simple. It's a boltless design, so everything just slides and locks into place. No need for extra tools or complicated instructions. The frame is made from cold rolled steel, which makes it super strong. One of the best parts is that the shelves are adjustable, so you can move them around to fit whatever you need to store. Small tools, big bins, you name it. And that's it. The whole thing comes together in about 10 minutes and it's easy to take apart if you ever need to move it. Okay, and this is what it looks like once it is built. You can see it's solid. The reinforced cross beams add extra stability so there's no wobbling even when it's being loaded up. It's also got an anti-rust coating, so even in garages or basements where it might get humid, it won't start corroding or looking rough over time. All right, now that I put some things on it, you can really see how much space it gives you. It could hold everything from tools to storage bins, and there's still plenty of room. I don't have to worry about stacking heavy stuff on here because I know that it can handle it. The manufacturer does say that the shelves can hold up to 600 pounds. However, I would say it would be probably about half that if I had to guess. Having everything in one place just makes life easier. No more digging around for tools or cluttering up the workspace. It keeps everything organized and easy to grab. All right, so this is what it looks like once you actually put product on here. You can even put product all the way up here and it's not like way out of reach. It does have these 5 shelves. They are adjustable, so if you don't need that much space, you need a bit less, you can move it up, you can move them down. So I did like that. They're very sturdy. As you can see, I put plenty of tools on here. So if you guys are looking for a new shelving unit, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.